What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another course video in the Ecom Lab. Now in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys actionable steps on what to do after you launched your Facebook ads for a couple of days, most likely after the 5th and 7th day mark. All right, so right now today we've hit a new high of $219.92. So we're slowly increasing our volume and sales. Yesterday we hit $159.95, and it's crazy because yesterday when I made that video we had no sales, right? And then I told you guys that we were going to see these sales start picking up later in the day because, like I said, you have to have a budget on Facebook for them to spend and go find the buyers. All right, so I'm gonna hop into my computer so I can show you guys the full time frame that I've been implementing this link to go strategy throughout this whole course. So let me go into the time that we started. We started around the 25th. That's when we launched our Facebook ads. It is currently February 1st. And so once we see that we've hit $800 so far through this whole course. Okay, guys, now this is completely wild. I mean, hitting $800 in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about a week. So basically we've hit people's salary so far. If we multiply that by 2, that's about $2,000 every paycheck. So that's close to about $4,000 in sales throughout this Shopify store if we keep this momentum up. All right, so before I dive even deeper into the Shopify store, I want to show you guys what you guys can do right after you launch your Facebook ads campaigns after a couple of days. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Facebook page. All right, so once you go to your Facebook page, you're going to click this 3 triangle dot right here and you're going to invite your friends. Okay, now hear me out. Once you launch your store, you need to get some momentum, okay? And that is the whole key, especially if this is gonna be completely free. This is like a free method where you can get people onto your website, onto your page. You can get some clicks, you can get some conversations going. This is a great way to do that. And you want to invite all your friends to your page. So once you select all your friends, guys, you're just gonna simply send the invite, and then the Facebook will send a notification to all your friends to go and like and follow your page, and hopefully you get some buyers out of those so that you can start the momentum and the traction going. This is an actionable step that you can literally do right after this video. Now, if you haven't seen day number 9, that's when we went and built our Facebook page. And I talked a little bit more about monitoring your comments because you're gonna see a lot of people say that it's a scam. It's, you know, just a lot of negative things about your store, especially when, you know, other people are dropshipping and they just don't have the great customer experience that they're getting on this platform. All right, so as you can see on this ad, guys, you can tell that we have about 177 reactions, which is really nice. 26 comments, 75 shares. We're in the right direction. People are interested in our product and, you know, they just want to be involved. Okay, and that's what we like to see. So one thing I'm noticing is that a lot of people are kind of saying the same thing over and over again, which kind of could be a little spammy. So what I would do personally is I would delete some of these comments or hide them. Okay, it's probably better just to hide them so you can keep the engagement, but you just don't want to make it too obvious. So a lot of people are tagging people, which is nice. So you just want to go through here and monitor those comments, guys. That's all you need to do so that you can get these sales up and running in the beginning. Okay, there's a lot of different things that you need to be doing besides just launching your ads and praying for things to happen. You need to be doing these steps in order to set yourself up in the future, just like inviting people to your page, monitoring your comments, going into your ads manager and looking at the data. And so if we look at our data here, let me refresh the page. We have an updated purchase of 2 purchases on this ad right here and 11 purchases with this ad. So far, you know, it's still at a limited budget right now. This is spending at $10 a day. This one's at $20 a day. We do need to, you know, soon increase our budget pretty soon so that Facebook can go and find more buyers. And so we're gonna just like look at these ads, man. This is the ad that I duplicated so that we can see if it's gonna actually perform at a higher budget. So far, it's not doing as well as I would like to. 2 purchases, you know, spending about $37. It could be better, but you know, I've seen 2 sales here already so far. So I'm gonna probably leave this on for the next 2 days and see how it performs, because this is the same pool of audience just like this one that has about $6 per purchase. It spent $69 with 11 sales, which is insane in my opinion. You know, if we go into the metrics here, let's go into the metrics real quick. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys the columns that you need to be having on your Facebook Ads Manager, because that's very crucial in analyzing your data and knowing how much you're spending, you know, the direction of the ad, if your cost per click is too high, if your cost per engagement is too low or too high. You know, there's different things that you need to be paying attention throughout this Ads Manager. And so we spent $67, made back $409. I don't think Facebook is including every single purchase on here, which sucks, but you know, at the end of the day, we're still making profits, which is very nice. Let me refresh this page real quick, see if we can get some more sales in here. So we are still at $219, which I'm very happy about. Like I said, all we did, guys, literally up to this point of the course is implement the link to go strategy. And I literally teach that, you know, for the past like 5 days. And so you guys can go out there and implement this link to go strategy. You can also download the PDF that's in the link in the description as well if you want a, you know, a little blueprint, a little layout on exactly the things that you need to be paying attention for in this link to go strategy. We are still not done with the testing phase. We haven't even scaled our ads yet. So I'm really excited to see how far we can take this, especially during this 30-day course. Now, the two most important things that you did learn in this video, guys, is to invite all your buddies to your Facebook page so you can gain some momentum. And then the next thing is to monitor your comments so that at the end of the day, you know, you're getting more sales. You know, more people are looking at and reading these comments and seeing what other people are talking about your product, and hopefully that persuades them to buy your stuff. Okay, guys, so that's all you need to be knowing up to this point of the course. This is day 17. We got 13 more days of full value that I'm going to be dropping on my channel. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell for all the videos that I'm going to be dropping in the future. It's already the second month in the year, and you know, I don't want anybody to live with regrets throughout the whole year, especially at the end of the 2021. This is the best time to get into e-commerce, and so you guys need to take advantage of that. All right, that's all I gotta really say. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys on the next video.